Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. All right, wanted to do an update on that. It's been very bullish still. It's a good rally right here, almost a bull run perhaps. But yeah, wanted to do an update on Solana here. Before we get into that, I do want to say sorry. Yesterday I was wrong. I expected more resistance here from 22/22.5. It did not find that resistance there. It broke above that instantly. Like even 23.5, like it found some resistance there, but instantly broke above that later, even though that was a major level. Technically and filled with Fibonacci levels as well, but all right, doesn't matter. This is the situation right now. In general, I wouldn't have traded it. I also did not. But yeah, so in this video, we'll do a full update again. Bitcoin has been very, very bullish overnight. It's dropping down a little bit right now, but it's barely bearish momentum compared to the moves overnight. So we'll just do a full update on Solana as well. We'll take a look at some other numbers regarding the open interest and the volume, which are still going up, as you can see right here, and what that means for the price. We'll just do a full update. So that's what we'll do. Now, before we dive into that, I do want to tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. And no, yesterday I did not send a signal on Solana. Or if you want, there's also a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my own trading guides. If you're interested in that, consider joining. But for now, let's get into Solana. So, like, the first thing you should ask yourself if a crypto is rallying like this is there any reason why it would not continue rallying? And the only reason I would say is if Bitcoin drops down now. All right, so Bitcoin has found resistance. If Bitcoin will probably test 28,000, but that's not really a drop. Like what would need to happen for Solana to perhaps get a bearish breakout right here and drop down towards 22.5 and $22 is for Bitcoin to drop down towards 28,000 and then drop down below that, which is a possible scenario. It is realistic. It's not the most likely scenario. It looks more likely at this point of time, and especially also for Solana. Like Solana just got a major bullish breakout above 24/23.5. So that's already established. And then the open interest and the volume for Solana are also still going up, if they are both still going up, what that means is that there's a lot of momentum for Solana and a lot of volatility could still come. So yes, it's possible that Solana will crash with that volatility and that you'll get some sort of a liquidation hunt. It's a possibility, but right now, most indications for Solana are bullish. So what we will see over the course of today, probably, is that Solana will test this level right here between 24 and 23.5. And if it's able to hold that for the next 24 hours, I would say we're going all the way up to this level right here at 25.5 and $26. And once we get up there, we can start talking about breaking it in the level is actually a bit higher. As you can see, it could spike all the way up to 26.5. So 25.5, 26.5, it's a strong resistance. I'm going to say it again. I do expect some resistance there. So we'll see. But that's my price target for now. Whether Solana is able to get there or not, like I said, it depends on whether 24 and 23.5 is able to hold. I would say for Solana specifically, that does look like the most likely scenario, but now it's also dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is able to hold its own, because if Bitcoin will crash down towards 27,400, for example, Solana will probably not be able to hold that level. And then it's more likely that Solana will drop down like this. All right, so it's quite dependent on what Bitcoin does. You can also see that the correlation right now between Solana and Bitcoin is super high. So unfortunately, that's just the truth. But we'll see. All right, the jury is still out on this one. We'll see how it reacts towards 24 and 23.5. Good reaction means continuation of the current strength. Bearish momentum for Bitcoin means a bit of a dump, but that's what we'll see. For now, that's my take. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.